So extrapolation is basically the act of using the limited data you have to cover a larger area. Now, there are quite a number of extrapolation. I can say the AI training sample, like you train the data for one or two things. Let's say there's this data that is available on the ArcGIS Pro. It's called Deep Learning Library. The United States train or digitize 100 million buildings. You can use that sample to digitize other buildings within the United States and you get up to 80% result. Now, what that implies is that they've trained, where the train is within the limits of what they do, which is interpolation. But when you're going outside of your study area, it's extrapolation. Also, another example is the land use land cover. When you do a land use land cover study from so year to so year, and then you predict into future, that is also extrapolation. All right, so in this study, what we're doing now, this is the entire study area, but I only pick this area and I have the elevation data of this very area you're seeing. But I want it to reach here. Like I want every of these to have at least an iota of a raster that I can use. Mind you, this will not give you any serious better result. It's just extrapolating. That does not mean it's accurate, but I'm only serving an example in a case whereby you don't have enough data, you can extrapolate. So this is not the main extrapolation, but this is my method. All right, so let's get right into it so that you get what I'm saying. So we're still going to use the same tool, but different approach. So this IDW, we're going to click on it. As usual, we'll bring in our points. We're going to leave everything the way they are. But if you have followed, you will see that the next I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go into environment and I'm going to go into processing extent. Then I'm going to change this default to same as layer. I'm telling you that you should force it, no matter what you're going to do, force it, let it cover everywhere. All right, so you go to raster analysis, you draw it down and you go to max and you also said study. Then you click on OK. So let's watch whether it will do or not. I don't know. I'm just doing try and error. Okay, it seems it did, but we're not seeing it. So let's just make this hollow so that we can see. So you see, you have points of this place, but it's extrapolated for you to have all of this. So this is how you can do that. I don't know how this will help you in your research, but I believe this will widen your mind to think outside the box. You can use these tools for different things. If you look at these 255 here, so it shows that most of these are within 255. These are within 300. So because of it extrapolated, so it just makes some assumptions and all that around. So basically, this may not be, I'm not saying it is or it is not. I just serve an example for it to give you an idea on how to go on your project. So I'll see you in the next video.